Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. This is your first time tuning into this channel. My name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada, bringing you another property tour. So today I am out here in the master plan community of Cadence. And today we're going to be focusing on this duplex here. And these just opened, right? I think on Saturday, okay? Now, the name of this community is Symmetry Meadows. Now, we did film the townhomes there in previous videos. Now, these duplexes, you have two different floor plans. And the floor plans is 1,095 square feet or 1,195 square feet. So you only have two options. However, they're marketing these homes as duplexes. However, you don't get two homes for the price. So basically, the model that we're going to be focusing on right now is the 1,195 square feet model. Now, it is a one-car garage. However, one thing that you need to be aware of, these models are actually flipped in reverse, just depending on which one you want, right? Or which orientation you want for the home. So keep in mind, you do not get both of these for the price. Now, you're probably wondering, what is the price? So, the price on here is going to start off about $360,000. But what I like about this builder, Horton, everything that you've pretty much seen here, you get. I'm talking about washer, dryer, refrigerator, minus like the blinds. But I'm going to show you that in just a second. Now, let's go inside. Let's see what we have for 1,195 square feet, 2 bedrooms and a den with a 1-car garage. Now, it also has 2 baths as well. Now, this garage, it's about a 22-foot depth for the garage. So you'll get the pavers. You got 3 different elevations that you can pick and choose from. Now, as far as like the lots, I believe there is a total of 95 lots or something like that is available for sale. So here we have the energy rating, okay? So what it is the lower it goes, the better it is, okay? You get the Ring doorbell or the Sky doorbell. You got the entry key. So let's take a look at this. Number one, let's take a look at the flooring. Definitely looks like wood flooring. However, these are linoleum flooring. Okay. For $360,000, let me know what you guys' thoughts are about this property. Like I said, appliances are included. We're going to start back over here. We have a feature wall, which is not included. We have a bedroom up front, orange peel texture, 1 inch on the bull nose on the cornering here. We have 9-foot ceilings, which is not bad. This is a queen size bed, so this bedroom is probably 11 by 11, which is a pretty decent size. Right above here, we do have a Traverse LED light. However, one thing that you just need to be aware of, can you actually hang a ceiling fan? So you need to check the payload on that too as well. Comes with the coax cable right here, but you do not get power over Ethernet. So we have 1 switch for your light and then 1 switch for your half hot. However, this tells me right now that you will not be able to put a ceiling fan with a 3-rocker switch here. So you would have to buy a ceiling fan that actually is remote. So just keep that in mind. Let's take a look at this 3/4 bath. Oh, this is actually a full bath. Fiberglass tub shower. Now overall, like with the materials, it's not your top grade materials. But as far as like what it's worth, they're just giving you your money's worth basically. Okay. Let's see what else we have here. So we have a double stack washer and dryer. Now the system does come with I'm talking about the air conditioning unit. So let me just double check here, because give me a second. Doesn't even tell you what the SEER rating is on here. Okay, so you do get insulation in the walls. There are 13. Then we have R30 inside the attic. Let's open this bad boy up. So as you can see, you only have one power over Ethernet and 4 coax cable and a thin Smurf tube, very thin. Here is the garage. Let's go take a look at the garage real quick. So the garage is pretty deep. You do have the soft water loop, which is really nice. And you have the tankless water heater. So the garage is pretty deep, it's pretty wide. You do have 2-foot span, but unfortunately it is still a 1-car garage. So if you want to keep the pricing, or not the pricing, let me retract. If you want to downsize to a smaller home, this would be it. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Here we have our thermostat. It does come with the alarm system too as well, but I'm sure you're gonna have to pay for the services. The drapes, the blinds are not included. Hopefully it does come with a Smurf tube. It probably does not come with a Smurf tube right here. Okay. Now with the kitchen, Whirlpool stainless, package appliances, range, refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher. You got your granite countertops, 4 inches on the backsplash, 30 inches on the cabinet still on this one with a 9-foot ceiling. At least you could have given me a 42 or 36. I would have been happy with that. But it is what it is. Here's your granite countertops, under-mounted sink. So on this one, there's not really like a design studio, right? I mean, you can come here and pick a few upgrades like the distribute sounds. And that's pretty much it. I mean, probably some blinds, right? You got some wallpaper. That is not a good idea on that backsplash there. Let's take a look at what's back here. So you do have a little covered patio area, which is pretty nice, okay? However, all this landscaping you're not gonna get. And it looks like the fence here is a vinyl fencing, which means that you're not gonna get that block. Eventually, after time, these things will discolorate because it just gets so hot and dry out here. And basically what's gonna happen with these fences, they'll get brittle. Now I know that they make some sort of like spray material that you can spray on here and it keeps the life. It's more like a conditioner. I'm not too sure the name brand of it, but that's something that you guys might want to Google. Let's go take a look at this air conditioning unit and let's see what we have here. Oh, we have a Lennox, which is a great brand. I love Lennox. I want to check the SEER rating, but unfortunately I can't see it. If you guys can see it, let me know. Here you go. It's very hard for me to see, so. All right, let's go back inside the house. Let's see what we have here. So here's your den. Kind of like your office space. Very small, not large at all. Now let's go take a look at the primary. So as we come in, we have carpet. We have a queen size bed. Now we do have the air conditioning unit on this side. Now that tells me every time this condenser kicks on, you're definitely going to be able to hear it, especially with a 13R rating on the bat insulation. Okay. Also, the lines are coming up along this wall. You need to make sure, you need to test run this when you are doing your inspections in your NHO, which is new home orientation, because if they're not strapped, you're going to be able to feel that vibration on the wall. So that's just something to keep in mind. Let's take a look at the bathroom here. Love the high vanities, 36 inches here. Again, we have a 1-inch granite cast iron sink and just your standard apartment style faucet. Here's your walk-in closet. Then we have the attic right above. And then we have our one-piece, 2-bench seat, shower. So let me know what your thoughts are about this property so far. A couple things I do want to let you guys know about this property. I don't know if I mentioned HOAs are about $83 a month. Also, the builder is giving out incentives. If you guys want to know what those incentives are, give us a call and we will be happy to provide you those incentives, okay? And make sure, if you guys don't have a real estate agent, contact me. Let me know, because I want to hook you up with the sales agent, Francis, on this track. Other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.